Looking for professional roof repair, replacement, installation, or restoration services? Search no further. The truth is, you really don't want to risk your home, furniture, or other belongings with a leaking or damaged roof. Ongoing damage means more money out of your pocket. Finding the right roofing contractor can be a big gamble because you need to make sure that they have the knowledge, skills, experience, and integrity necessary to provide you with top-quality installation, repair, or roof restoration services. Introducing Certified Roof and Inspection. We're here to help with a highly trained, certified, and experienced team of roofers and a 25-year contractor at the helm. At Certified Roof and Inspection, our professionals provide quality craftsmanship on every project. Our top priorities are quality and customer service. We offer roof cleaning services to remove embedded dirt and moss. We can restore most decks, carry out structural repairs, power wash, and apply penetrating oil stain to rejuvenate your roof or deck. Providing top-quality materials, friendly professional office staff, and certified field workers. Once you call Ron Williams Certified Roof and Inspection, you can leave the rest to us. Call 800-409-4910 or visit www.roofcertified.com.